Welcome to the Codesby Solar online calculator. Here's how to use it to estimate the solar system that best fits your home. First, start by entering your basic information. You'll be asked for your name, phone number, email, address, and budget. When typing your address, make sure to select the correct address from the drop-down list. This helps us locate your property accurately on the map. Once you've entered your details, click Next. Now you're on the appliances page here. Enter each appliance you use and adjust the quantity of each one. You can add fans, fridge, AC units, lights, computers, kitchen items, anything that uses electricity in your home. You can also input custom values for appliances that are not listed. Take your time and be as accurate as possible. When you're finished, click Next again. You'll now see the roof estimation page. This is where you find out the maximum number of solar panels your roof can hold. Start by dragging the map until you see your house. You can zoom in or zoom out for a better view. If you're physically standing at the property where you want to install the panels, you can tap the location pin icon to move the map directly to your position. Make sure geolocation is enabled on your browser, otherwise this feature won't work. When your roof is centered on the map, select the drawing tool. Then click the corners of your roof one by one to outline the shape. The calculator will automatically fill the area with panels. If you'd like to remove a panel, for example, because of shading, a water tank, or an unideal position, just click on that panel to delete it. Note that you can cover multiple areas of your roof, and if you make a mistake, no worries, you can delete all the panels by selecting the Clear All option below the map. When you're done drawing, click Next. You'll now see a summary page with all your information. Pay attention to your total wattage shown on this page. This number tells you how large your solar system should be. For example, if your total wattage adds up to 5,600 watts and we use 560 watt panels, then to get the number of panels needed, we divide 5,600 by 560. So you would need about 10 solar panels to power your home. The number of panels you need should be less than the maximum number of panels your roof can hold. A system like that may pair well with a 6 kilowatt inverter plus batteries based on your nighttime usage and your budget. You can submit your request for a price estimate and schedule a free consultation where we'll walk through your solar needs and recommend the best system for your home. For expert guidance, custom system designs, and professional installation, book your consultation today. Visit solar.codesby.com. Codesby Solar. Bring affordable, reliable energy to your home.